Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm eating homemade street tacos. Now these tacos I made with tortilla wraps. I've never done them like that before. And these are chicken tacos, shredded chicken with peppers, onions and spicy beans. And then I have some chicken wings here in a spicy breadcrumb. And I have some hot sauce as well, guys. I'm going to put some on because I love it with hot sauce. Just going to actually I'll do one by one because I don't want to get it all over the place. I'm so hungry. I am actually bald now, guys, if you can tell. I have no hair. I had my extensions taken out and they will be going back in a couple of weeks, just having a break. So excuse the hair, guys. I really don't like it. So let's go, guys. Yum. Let's go for a taco. I'm so hungry. I've also got some sour cream and some salsa. Oh my god. Let's put a bit of salsa on there. A bit of sour cream. Oh my god, let's go. Are you ready, guys? Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. Guys, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. Mmm. Wow. Oh my god. Amazing. The wrap, because it's a tortilla wrap, it's so much nicer than the normal wrap. It really is in a normal standard wrap. Oh my god. Let's go for a chicken wing. Mmm. Oh my god. So good. Oh my god. This is amazing. Let's have one with some hot sauce. Oh my god. Oh. Mmm. 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 Oh wow. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm really paranoid about my hair. I've just been live to you guys, and you've all been so lovely to me about my weight, saying you can tell I've lost weight in my face and saying I've lost weight. You know, it's so lovely. Thank you guys. I'm doing really, really well. Doing really, really well. And these days, you know, these mukbangs that I do are just treat days for me. So everyone's got to have a treat day, otherwise you'll go absolutely insane. Oh, look at this one. Help me. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Can't taste it. It's too good. Wow. Amazing. No, I've never had chicken tacos on my channel before. Amazing. I'm just feeling so confident now I've lost weight, guys. Really confident. Really good about myself. This hair is driving me crazy though. Let's try another one. Oh my god. So good. Amazing. Much prefer these wraps. I really burnt my hand, guys, on the oil. My camera dropped in the oil, hot oil, and I was saving my camera. Thankfully, nothing's wrong with it. I'm so surprised, but in the process, it's really, really burnt my hands, so it really hurts. Thank goodness I have no acrylics, otherwise it would have burnt off. Like, melted off my acrylics. I'm so full now, guys. I'm gonna have one more. And one more of these. One more, guys. The smallest one I can find. Let's go for this. Let's go. So good. Made such a mess. But guys, I am finished. That was absolutely gorgeous, guys. It really, really was. Those tacos were amazing. The tortilla taco is just so amazing. So amazing. I always say that. It's so nice, fried in the oil for a few seconds, and it really just makes these tacos completely different. I much prefer these shells than the original kind of, El Del Taco, whatever they're called, shells. You know, the ones that you get in a box. What are they called? Old El Paso, aren't they? El Del Paso, that's it. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my hair. Let me know in the comments below. It's not going to be forever, just for a couple of weeks till I get my new extensions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe. I love you all so much. Thank you for growing with me every single day. You are amazing, guys, and I owe all my success to you guys. Thank you for understanding me. Thank you for getting me. Thank you for being my friend. Honestly, guys, it really means a lot because, life is difficult, and knowing I have you guys really just makes me feel wanted, and that's what everyone wants. Anyway, guys, enough of that cheesy stuff, but I do mean it. I love you all so much, guys. I hope you like my hair. I will see you in my next video.